So a little bit of advice regarding moving for sellers. I would say rent a U-Haul truck yourself, and then through the U-Haul portal or website, get the movers to go along with the truck and to assist in moving. That is probably hands down my best recommendation and the best option.
In there too, in the website, there's the list of the movers where you can go and you can read the reviews and select the one you want, different prices. So, you know, you can really get a good idea of what you're looking for. But it's a lifesaver, time saver.
They're very affordable, and like my wife just said, there's 3 tiers. So, you know, you can judge based on the reviews that you read from each of those. But we went with the middle, and we've done this twice now and had excellent results both times. The guys, they show up, they're ready to work, they do what you ask them to do. They just work nonstop, they get the job done, and typically you'll be surprised how much they can get done in a 3-hour time. So unless you want to pay full price and have a full moving company pack everything and move it and, you know, go completely hands off, this would be my recommendation.
And I'd say too, think about your priorities. For us, we were coming from a 2-story, so everything from the upstairs done first so that we wouldn't have to do that ourselves, because there is a time frame that you kind of rent the movers for. So they do that, go to your destination. If there's still time, you know, they can do more for you. But I would say, you know, think about your priorities first. And for all the little stuff, don't wait till the end to pack all the little stuff.
Little stuff first, without a doubt.
Do it all. Pack as many boxes as you can before those movers get there, and don't wait. Let them move it for you, because if you wait, you're going to be stuck with a bunch of little stuff that you're not going to have help moving. So don't wait till the end.
Yeah, depending on how far you go, 4 hours, they can move a 3-bedroom house for $400. So,
or less.
Or less.
Yeah, ours was
Yep.
less.
Yep.
Please call us at 1-844-CORCORAN or 407-953-9118 or visit us online at thecorcoranconnection.com.